Good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I share with you how to customize your YouTube channel. In my last video I talked about creation of Gmail account, but today we want to take it a step further by creating our first YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube channel yet, this video is for you. So let's get right into it. Before that, please, if you haven't subscribed, please show me love by subscribing to my YouTube channel and also give me a thumbs up. Go to Google Chrome and type www.youtubestudio.com just as this. Now click on customization. There you find video spotlight and featured video. That's the first one under layout. Now choose the videos you want to upload there. Then go on to branding. There you find your name, the name you want to use, the profile picture, the profile picture, the banner image, that's the picture, like a DB picture on your channel. There you set it and make sure is at the important aspect of it is at the middle. Then also the watermark. This, if you want it to appear on your entire video, you can put that. If it's at the end, you want it. If it's at the beginning, you can put it any way you want. Then go on to basic info. There you put your name, the name you want to bear. If it's the name of your channel, put it. Then your handle. Your handle must contain either number or symbols. Then the description of your channel, what your channel is all about, your link, and so on and so forth. Everything you have to edit them, everything. Then your contact info, in case they want to contact you for advertisement, you also put that there. Now go to settings. Set your default unit to US dollars. Then go to channel settings. Under basic info, set your country as Nigeria. Then also set the keywords of the channel. You have as many as 500. Set it. Then go to advanced settings. There you set if the channel is meant for kids and or not. But if it's for adult content, I'll advise you to click no because of currency. Then go to feature eligibility. This feature eligibility, when is enabled, it allows you to do so many things. We have standard feature, intermediate and advanced feature. Now the standard feature enables you to upload videos, create playlists, add collaboration, and so on and so forth. For intermediate, you have to enable standard in addition to it, adding your phone number, verifying your phone number. Then we have advanced features also, which enables you for monetization later on. So just check them out and do what you're supposed to do. I wish you the best of luck in your monetization process. Please do well to support me, and I will also support you too. Thank you. All right, thank you for watching. I appreciate you for staying till. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up. Also click on the note to know when I drop new video. Thank you. Bye.